This is basically a portfolio. So, so this will be just a portfolio quick review of Etsify founder. So let me just get back to the video without wasting time. So this is an agri-tech bioeconomy startup under Etsify Technologies. This is a career intelligence platform made by the Etsify Technologies to help the youth of the Tripura and the Northeast, basically to help them in upgrading the job skill to get hired by the global recruiters. This is a problem faced by lots of the people, not in the Northeast but all over the India, despite having very good healthcare facilities, unable to react the unable to react or reach out to the medical consultancies due to the lack of the quick logistics. So this was created because of this. People are building the startups from the Northeast on a huge scale, but very few are able to know which startup will be better, which idea will be better, how will the startup react, what are the market and all. For this I created the startup lens. After that, the exam AI, this is built for the parents of every Indian who are like very much into the competitiveness of their kids. Rather than sending their kids to the coaching school, they can use this platform to develop their kids study purpose and all. We everyone know, as the startup founder, as the startup builder, pitching is the first thing. So how to build a pitch that is investor ready, this will be helping you. As a person who is building the startup from the scratch, most of the entrepreneurs don't know what to follow, what guidance to follow, whom to reach out, what are the startups requirements on how to create a startup, what are the government required document funds and everything. So for them we have built this one. Finance, this is basically for the people who have money but they don't know how to manage their money, what will be they using their money. So in order to save their money, utilize that money in a very well format, we have created this platform. Asha workers are currently working in the front line to save the lives of the people who are staying at the rural and the remote places. This was built exactly for them, an offline app with the cloud operations accessible by the Asha workers. Not only that, AI-assisted TB malaria screening will also be there, cold chain medical delivery will be there, a full tech medical ecosystem. This is a new startup idea. I have done it into it. I have just converted into the digital footprint. If any of them, the startup are willing to take the most unorganized and the most authentic and the most low scale, budget friendly and high scale industrial market, they can connect me regarding this. This is the secure print, Xerox are being there, data are being leaked, no kind of data privacy are there. It can help you save that. And lastly but not least, this is the portfolio of the Etsify founder, Mr. Ayampal. As you can see, this is his portfolio, this is his services, this is his futures of the works. A very few future of the works currently being there. What's the information, founder to the founder idea, what are the interfaces he has worked on, what are the UI he has worked on, every detail. So this video is just a signature video or just a collaboration video of the Etsify Technologies, the AI Venture Studio coming from the Northeast India and Tripura to help the fellow founders and entrepreneurs, not only from Tripura and Northeast but also throughout the whole over India and in the global school who wants to use the Etsify Technologies to build their career in the startup entrepreneurship, to look for the different opportunities. Even we can help you to create your idea into a digital footprint that you can show to the customer, investor also. Show it to the investor, will provide you the investor readiness report also. So we've created the entire ecosystem. Anyone who is willing to connect with us, we are more welcoming them. So please do connect with us, and if you have any of the queries, you can directly drop your queries in the comment section. Thank you very much. Have a good day.